Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki with MontanaCrochetCreations.com. Make sure that you hit the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these fun tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do a half double crochet. The last video I taught you single crochet, and hopefully you have that mastered by now. So in this video, we're going to learn how to do a half double crochet. So what we're going to need, again, any number 4 worsted weight yarn. You want to make sure that it's a nice smooth yarn, something that's going to be really easy to crochet with as a new beginner crocheter. And then we're going to need a crochet hook. For today's tutorial, I'm using a 7mm crochet hook. You can get these anywhere. You can get it at Michael's, Hobby Lobby. You can even purchase them on Amazon. And I'll leave down in the description box below some links of some products that I recommend you using. All right, so let's get started in this video. So I'm going to grab some yarn here, and what we're going to do is first we're going to create our slip knot on our finger. So I just take my yarn and hold it between my middle and thumb, pull that over, and then I'm just going to grab this back piece of yarn and pull it over the tip of my finger to create my slip knot. Now we've got our slip knot. So now we can start with our chains. And I think what we'll do today is we'll do 11 chains. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So next we're going to take our hook and we're going to half double crochet into that second chain from the hook. So not this very first one right here, but this one right here. So this very second one. So we're going to insert our hook. Actually, we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into that second chain from our hook. So now you can see we've got 3 loops right here on our hook. So we're going to yarn over again and we're going to pull through that first loop. So now we still have 3. So we're going to yarn over again and we're going to pull through all 3 of those loops that's on the hook. That's your very first half double crochet. So let's do this one more time. So we're going to yarn over and we're going to insert our hook into this very next stitch. We're going to yarn over again and pull through that very first loop. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on our hook. So that's 2 half double crochet. Let's do that again. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into our next stitch, yarn over and pull through that first loop. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on our hook, creating our half double crochet. So let's finish out the rest of our chains all the way to the end with our half double crochet. And when we get to the very end, we should have a total of 10 half double crochet because we skipped this very first chain that was on our hook. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, pull through that loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. So let's continue finishing this half double crochet on this row. So that's 7. We've got 8, 9, and now we have 10 half double crochet. So what we need to do next in order to create our row 2 is we are going to chain 1. And in most cases, this chain 1 doesn't ever count in a pattern. And then we're going to turn our work. So we're just going to basically flip it around. So we're going to yarn over, and in that same space right here that we have this chain 1, we're going to insert our hook. And you can see these 2 loops right here. So you want to make sure that you grab both of that V right here. So we're going to yarn over and pull through that V. And now we've still got the 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now let's do that again. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into this V. We're going to yarn over and pull through that. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on our hook. That's our second half double crochet. So let's do that again. Yarn over, insert our hook, pull through. Excuse me, we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on our hook. So let's continue that all the way to the very end, and we should still have a stitch count of 10 half double crochet. Okay, so we're coming up on 8, 9. Now, when we get to the very end of the row, it may look like you're completely done, but you're not. You actually still have one more stitch right here that you need to make sure that you grab. If you look, you can see the V right here. So you want to just make sure you grab it in that hole right there. So we're going to yarn over and grab that last stitch and pull through all 3 of those loops. So now we have our row 2 of our half double crochet is completed. So let's chain 1 and turn our work. So we're going to half double crochet back into this chain 1 space right here. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that chain 1 space, pull a loop through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops again. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook to that next stitch, pull through that stitch. We've got our 3 loops, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. So let's complete that all the way to the end, and you should still have a total of 10 half double crochet. So that's 2. We've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we're going to grab this very last stitch. And if you look closely, and the red yarn is kind of hard to see, but there's this V right here. So we're going to grab that for our very last stitch. So we're going to insert our hook, pull through, and pull through. Now we have our row 3 that's completed of our half double crochet. And we're going to chain 1 and turn our work, and then just continue to repeat that pattern of doing a half double crochet in that chain 1 space and then half double crochet all the way across. And just continue to repeat it until you're comfortable that you have the stitches down and your tension seems to be the same in every single row and your edges are nice and straight. So this stitch right here is probably the second most common stitch in any crochet pattern. So once you get this down along with the single crochet, you can kind of mix and match, make some really cute projects with it, like some cute dishcloths, scarves, things like that. So anyway, I hope that you guys liked this video. Make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these fun videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!